So Cointiply has also paid me, and in today's class I'll be taking my time to tell you about Cointiply, how it works, and this is just some very easy and of course free way to work and get paid in cryptos online. Now before I get started, I want to clearly state that this video is not about teaching you how to make money, and in fact this is just a free way you can earn when you work online. And of course it is not substitute for your job. This is just something you can do on the side, and it doesn't pay too much. It is just a way you can earn little dollars carrying out little tasks or answering surveys. So this is not a way you can get rich or earn a lot of money. All right, now first things first, you can see that my balance, I have about $0.36. I've withdrawn over about $20 on this platform. I think between $18 to $20 per se. I will show you that shortly. Now before I get started, I want to share how this has been. I've been using this platform for over 3 years right now, although I don't work every day, but I just decided I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so it's very easy. You can come on this place where you find N, and you can see N coin, survey, share and earn, coin and offers, bonus and mission and event, Cointiply multiplier. But first things first, what I do every day when I come here is to quickly come to my daily streak. You can see the daily streak. If I forget, you can do this on your phone completely. I'm going to come to the daily streak and claim my points for daily streak. Now your points, claiming points is really important, because you need to claim points to swap those points into dollars or cryptos. So I have one free daily spin per day. So I'm just going to try to do the spin. If you're trying to click on the spin and it doesn't work, you're going to click on this area, and of course this can help you spin. To use, okay, I've actually gotten about 50 coins, you can see here. So there are people who want to use this particular platform. They want to know if it's worth it, if it's something that can pay them, and if it's something they can earn from. Now your simple answer is yes. Actually it is quite something that can pay you, but then you have to understand that it is not easy to earn up to the amount that you'll be able to withdraw. All right, it is actually very difficult, and you have to be consistent on that, and of course do a lot. Now I've already claimed for yesterday, okay, but I've not claimed for today. I think in the next few hours I'll be seeing claim here, and I'll be able to claim another 51 points. And every time you claim points, they are gathering into your balance, where you can swap them to dollars at the end of the day. You can see I had about $0.32 at the beginning. Now it's about $0.37. Okay, so just follow me. Other ways to earn, I'm just going to let you know what I did. All right, what I did to be able to withdraw that amount. All right, I think one of the easiest ways also to earn is to use your PTC ads. Let me show you something. Okay, you can see this PTC ad over here. This is one of the best way to earn on this platform. Also, it doesn't pay too much. Just know that PTC ads pays very little coins, but they can compound over time. All right, they can compound over time, so you have to be aware of that. So what and how does the PTC ad work? Now all you have to do is to see that you have 14 ads, and those 14 ads will earn you about 289 coins. All right, and I can just scroll down to view these ads very well. So you can see the ads are basically me visiting websites, staying on the website for about 50 seconds, and I'll have 44 coins added to my balance. Here 41 coins, here 41 coins. So let's just try this particular one for 50 seconds. Now when you click on a website or you click on an ad, you can see it's counting over here, showing you 40 seconds left viewing ad. So once it's about 0 seconds, you know that it has completed. You can just go back to the platform. So you are back here. You don't have to click anything. All you just have to do is your eyes should be on this area where the counting down is completing. So this is just more like the platform advertising this guy, so you don't really have to click anything at all. You just have to um just have to just have to stay here and wait it out. All right, so after some very few seconds, it's going to be completed, and you can see it's about 8 seconds. And after a very short time, it will be completed. So you can take your time to view as much PTC ads as complete. So add view complete. I'm going to come back here, and you can see validate your PTC view. All right, so select medicine. Of course, the medicine on these three is this particular one. So this is the bottle for medicine, and once I've clicked on this particular one as my choice, my view has been recorded, and I click OK, and I believe some point would have been added to my balance. So maybe in the next few minutes, it's going to add. Okay, so I just have to leave this one for now, and you can go check out all of them. Okay, now once you have viewed all the ads, of course, they will be added to your balance. Now let's talk about how you can possibly earn even more. All right, how okay, you can see that's added to my balance right now. How you can earn more. But before we get to how you can earn more, let's talk about the withdrawal conditions. Is it even easy to withdraw? The simple answer is yes, it is easy to withdraw. I'm going to click on it and take you down to my payments, and so you can see how it works. All right, so going to payment area, let's see what you need to do to be able to withdraw on this platform. So if you scroll down, you can see that there are several withdrawal options, but you have to be on cash out. You have to be on cash. You have to click on cash out. There's no need for you to deposit anything. Okay, cash out, and you can see that you can withdraw via Bitcoin, Dashcoin, Dogecoin, or Litecoin. Anyone you like, you withdraw. Now, for you to withdraw on Bitcoin, you need to have about 50,000 coins. For you to withdraw on Dashcoin, about 30,000 coins. For you to withdraw on Doge, 30,000, Litecoin, 30,000. So you can see these are a lot of coins compared to what we are even earning. We are earning about 44 coins, and we need about 30,000 coins. Now, people will be asking, okay, how was I able to withdraw? All right. Now, you can see my coin balance is 3447, by USD balance. Of course, this is the amount of coins I've earned today, and amount of coins I've earned in the last 7 days. Okay, now apart from this shows you that 10,000 coins, if you do your maths, you find that 10,000 coins gives you $1. So 10,000 coins gives you $1. Okay, so the minimum to withdraw here is about $3. Okay, so if you earn 30,000 coins, you'll be able to withdraw your $3 via your Doge, via Dash, or via Litecoin. So you have to understand that completely. And of course, you can withdraw that via several payment methods that you like you can withdraw it via crypto. You can see that these are cryptos that you can withdraw from. You can also withdraw via your PayPal, depending on the country you're watching from. All right, so let's get straight back into earning, because I know a lot of people are just interested in how you can boost to earn, how you can boost your earning, so that you can get up to 10,000 coins. And I'm going to show you how that happens. Now, in fact, if you want to do that, the best way to do it is with your phone. All right, because a lot of people, especially people who play games a lot with their phones, would enjoy this. Okay, now I'm not the kind that play games, but at some point I had to give my phone to a friend who loves playing games, and that was how I earned the money I was able to withdraw. I'm going to show you that. All right, so on this area you can see people who are actually earning. So easily earn 37 coins from PTC Play, so you don't have to think you're the only one earning little. When you scroll down, you see some games that you can play. Now, all these things you see here are games. They're all games. For example, you can see this particular one is play to get 13,000 coins. So if you are the type that play games like your Sudoku, you are the type that play this uh puzzle games, your type that play Candy Crush, it's better you come here to source the games that you love, your preferred games. You can see this particular one is about, let me open the game so you can see it clearly. This one is Idle Soap ASMR. You get about 239,000 coins. 239,000 coins after playing the game is about $23. So that is, if you can do that maybe in a week, because this is not something you can do in a day. That is, I'm very honest with you. You cannot play this game and get all this level, because this all this complete soap 3, complete soap 5, they are all levels of the game. So just like your level 1, level 2, level 3, so you cannot get to level 10 in a day. Okay, so when you finish all the levels, you can get to 239 coins, 239,000 coins, and that will fetch you $23. That is how I was able to, withdraw in the past. All right. Now, also one thing you have to understand is that you need to look at this shows Apple sign showing that it is only for Apple users. Here shows Apple sign showing it's only for Apple users. Here show Android sign showing that it's only for Android users. So you can only use games that are particular to your device. So if you're using an Apple phone, there are a lot of games that you can play. This is an Android device, and you can see there are a lot of games you can also play, and this is cool. Now, me saying this is not a way you showing you guaranteed income. No, this is not guaranteed earning. You can only earn when you work, and this should not be substituted for your main job. In fact, this is what a lot of people do on the side, and particularly if you're not in Nigeria, you tend to earn more. But if you are in Nigeria and some other countries, your coin earnings may be lesser. All right. Of course, you can let me know what you think about this particular one. Of course, I've earned from it, and that's why I'm sharing. So if you're also planning to work, this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing for you to do. Now, one other very interesting way you can earn is taking surveys. Surveys are one of the highest paying tasks that you can do on any platform and get paid. Okay, if I click on surveys, I'm just going to sweep through it. Now, surveys on this platform are cool, but truthfully, it is quite difficult because personally, I've never earned on survey on Cointiply. All right, so um you can see this is 22,000 coins when you finish this survey, but then this survey is particularly for some set of people, and no matter how hard you try, you may not be able to answer it correctly to the way they want it, so you can just end up wasting your 20 minutes looking for surveys. All right, so this is actually something I have to make you understand. Then refer your friends. Now this is one way I was also able to boost my earning, because if I scroll down to show you how much I've referred, you can see I've referred about 50 users. None of them have been active particularly this week. Okay, so you can see um, if I scroll down, you can see I started referring people as far back as 3 years ago. So I've been using this platform for a very long time, and I've been withdrawing from it. So you can see as far back as 3 years ago, I've been making use of this platform, and I referred users and earned from it. Now, when you refer a user, you don't earn. You only earn when that user is working, when that user is also carrying out his own task. So of course, you need to understand that share your Cointiply with your friends and family and earn up to 25% on each referral. If you have any questions, please visit our help page. So you are going to earn 25% of on what they are doing, not when you refer them. All right, so when you refer them and they're not working, basically you don't earn anything from it. So I hope with this short video you'll be able to understand what Cointiply is, because I've had a lot of people refer this website to me to talk about, and coincidentally it's something I've used before, and of course I have enjoyed it. Okay, now I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Do have a very wonderful day, guys, and take care of yourself. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll be there listening.